Okay, guys, this is my website. It's called Hands-On Health Services, and it's a chiropractic website. My brother's a chiropractor, so I just figured I would make a website that kind of goes along with what his work is, just for fun. So this is the homepage, and this is supposed to just be like what chiropractic health can do for people. And then this is the about page. Um, And so this would be just about the clinic and certain things that they offer and how they got started. This is the treatments, so all the different treatments that are offered at the clinic. And then this is my staff page. So just put people in here for all the people that would work at the clinic. And then this is the contact page with the contact form and then contact information at the bottom. And the main purpose of this site is just so that if anybody wants to set up an appointment or like learn about treatments or learn about chiropractic care, that they could come to this website essentially and learn about all of that. And with my design, I'll just go to my style guide. So with my design, I pretty much decided to go off of like the color scheme that I chose because I really liked these colors. And so that's kind of where my design based from, was just off of the color scheme. Um, I also, in the branding of this website, I kind of just had like this left border on everything. And that's something that is used throughout the pages, like on all of the images and the paragraphs. Um, and so, yeah, this is my website. Something that I learned through doing all of this is how important it is just to plan from the very beginning what you want everything to be like in the very end. Um, I had a lot of mind changes as I was doing this, and it kind of made everything really confusing because I kept changing my mind about how I wanted everything to be. And so I think just like having a clear purpose from the very beginning is something that's super important and something that I learned that I should be doing in my future assignments. But thanks for watching.